Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is our first look at Krimh Drums Free Edition from Bogren Digital. It's a high quality multi-sampled drum instrument, and it sounds like this. So not only do I get this high quality multi-sample drum kit, but I also get a nice little starter pack of grooves as well. And I also have the playback speed, so I can get some variations, and what I've done is I've used different speed variations for my composition just to get a bit of light and shade in there. Have lots of double kick stuff going on. So these are all played by Krimh himself. So a few bits and pieces to get you started. So this is a modest collection of MIDI, but very usable, and more to the point, I can still go into settings and select my key maps from a number of well-known instruments. So that makes Krimh Drums really useful in any situation, and also, although it has a metal kind of edge to it, these produced sounds can lend themselves to lots of different genres as well. Now there's no mixer in the free edition, but in the full edition you get that, and the ability to route out to multiple outputs for more control to mix in your DAW. You also get over 100 MIDI grooves, and you also get more kit pieces as well, and those include some drum packs in TCI and WAV formats as well. But all in all, a really nice crisp sounding multi-sample drum kit for free. To find out more about Krimh Drums Free Edition from Bogren Digital, head over to the Production Expert blog.